Alright guys, time to do a review of this Annie's Homegrown bunny fruit snacks, basically. These were on sale, so I picked them up, and there it is. Take a look there. There is the bunny fruit snacks berry patch. Natural strawberry, raspberry flavors, vegan, gluten-free. So let's do a quick check on the ingredients. Is the organic tapioca syrup, cane sugar, tapioca syrup solids, pear juice. Yeah, there it is. And there is 11 grams of sugar in there, so let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so they're actually kind of small. Here it is. Packet. This is what, if it wasn't on sale, I probably wouldn't buy it. This is like almost like $5. It was like $5. So, all right, let's open this up. So that's what they look like. Okay, so they don't taste like anything like gummies. They're more like jellies. Okay, so they have like pretty much no gumminess to it. It's just like a jelly, it's more solid jelly. They're kind of sweet, but yeah, they're really just jellies. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel. I don't really taste the strawberry too much, but maybe a little, but it is a little bit sweet. So, all right, stay tuned for more videos, guys.